Hello and welcome to DigiPrub videos. If you want to cut down the time it takes to accomplish tasks in your workday or home life, you'll need to learn some proven time management skills. So friends, today I want to share with you 10 tips for time management. So let's start. Number 1. Delegate tasks. It is common for all of us to take on more tasks than we are capable of completing. This can often result in stress and burnout. Learn the art of delegating work to your subordinates as per their skills and abilities and get more done. Number 2. Prioritize work. Before the start of the day, make a list of tasks that need your immediate attention. Once you know where to put your energy, you will start to get things done in an order that works for you and your schedule. Number 3. Create a schedule. Make a simple to-do list before the start of the day. Prioritize the tasks and focus on the essentials. Being able to check off items as you complete them will give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Number 4. Deal with stress wisely. Stress comes in various forms for different people, but some productive ways to deal with stress can include getting outside, exercising, practicing meditation, calling up a friend, participating in your favorite hobby, listening to music or a podcast. The key is to find what works for you when it comes to lowering your stress response. Number 5. Avoid multitasking. Most of us feel that multitasking is an efficient way of getting things done. But the truth is that we do better when we focus and concentrate on one thing. Wait until you finish one before starting another. You will be surprised by how much more you are able to get done. Number 6. Start early. When you get up early, you are more calm, creative, and clear-headed. As the day progresses, your energy levels start going down, which affects your productivity, motivation, and focus. Number 7. Take regular breaks. Whenever you find yourself feeling tired and stressed, take a break for 10 to 15 minutes. Too much stress can take a toll on your body and affect your productivity. Take a walk, listen to some music, or do some quick stretches. Number 8. Set goals and keep them realistic. Goal setting and attainment provide positive reinforcement and can diminish your stress levels. That's why one of the best time management techniques is to set goals, specifically goals that are achievable. Number 9. Keep your cell phone out of reach. Cell phones are a modern miracle, but they're also legendary time wasters. Rather than be tempted to send text messages and browse social media all day on your phone, reward yourself with set mini breaks that come after a sustained period of work. By putting a time limit on your phone use, you will find yourself working far more efficiently. Number 10. Try the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a good time management tool that helps you alternate 25-minute work sessions with 5-minute breaks. So friends, these are the 10 tips for time management. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Each of your thumbs up tells us to do better. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.